Here is my Dracaena Fragrans plant. This is a giant one. I got it when it was about half the size. Had it for a little over a decade now. And this is kind of a neat occurrence. I have gotten it to bloom 2 times so far. This is the 3rd time. And this time it's got 2 blossoms on it. It's got one over there in the back and it's got one here in the front. And this is super rare. These are not native to this part of the world. They will grow in controlled indoor environments, but they don't thrive. And they don't blossom unless they're thriving. So this one is really enjoying its location here next to the window and the temperature and humidity that this room typically remains. And now it has blossomed. I guess this is a total of 4 times now. It's a really neat flower. It has a very, very strong it's a strong fragrance to it. I don't know what it smells like because I don't do smells, but it's very strong, and it's just a really unique looking thing. It's also very sticky. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's got like, it looks like water drops, and it's like sticky sap. It gets all over everything. It gets here, it gets there, it gets all over the floor, so it kind of makes a mess. But it's still a very neat and uncommon occurrence to see one of these corn plants blossoming in the house.